Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So, kaping bara ako. Kape po tayo. Kaping bara ako galing kay Sir Archie and kay Sir Tops ng Batangas City. Since the beginning of the year, inisip ko na kung kailan tayo magkakaroon ng meet-up, no? So far, we're halfway February. Wala pa tayong barbecue class. Wala pa tayong barbecue meet-up, no, sa PCP class sa Barrel Pro. So, although meron naman tayong mga videos na nilabas at mga instructional videos, no. So pwedeng sundan din yun, no. Ang iba lang din talaga experience when you learn it in actual, no. Nagpa-apoy, nag-trim, nagsalang, and plus yung interaction, no, and discussion na wherein you can ask questions directly. At syempre yung bumubuhos na information during a day of class. And kasabay ng barbecue meetup, no? Similar what we did in 2023, no? Barbecue meetup, very minimal lang yung registration fee. That is inclusive of food and yung class itself, no? So, merong merienda, may lunch, may morning snack pa, plus we will look for a venue again, no? So it will be, I'm planning to do it at the end of March, no? Para may enough time kayo to organize your schedule, no, and save the dates. Yan. So magiging parang general assembly siya, barbecue meetup and barbecue class 101 pit camp style. Mga PCP members natin, official members, and of course it'll be open for all na mga barbecue enthusiasts. It's a good time to learn barbecue, at the same time meet the other crafters, yung mga pit masters and veterano na. At the same time, we can also plan ahead for our PCP Cup, no? Yung ating yearly na barbecue competition na gusto namin gawing taon-taon na. We will do it in March, so save the date. So that's towards the end of March. At please support, no? Support natin yung ganitong hindi naman madalas, like 2 to 3 times in a year. So I hope you support it kasi gusto natin masigla yung community, and also we are allotting budget for that na para yearly meron tayong ginagawa sa ating community. Alright, so yun lang. So start to pag panood nyo to, inform nyo isa, pasa nyo dun sa isa, share this event. Soon we drop doon sa ating mga pages and groups. Alright, yun lang. Looking forward to see you, and gusto natin, ang theme naman natin this time is Barbecue 101 with live fire cooking, live fire buffet, food and drinks na inclusive doon sa registration fee. Alright, so let me know what you think and your thoughts, and comment on the comment section below. And yeah, takits, and looking forward to meet you all. Alright, thank you very much, and smoke on.